Hello, this is John Hart, and we'll be going over Unit 1 discussion, where you'll be providing numbers under Topic 1. So we have 5 variables. The first 2 are labeled A and B, and the others are 1, 2, and 3. And here are the ranges, a little different between A and B, and the same for 1, 2, and 3. So between 200 and 400 for A, 200 and 300 for B, and so on. Now I have examples here. Here is what Amanda Johnson selected, and she's got them labeled. So that's how it should be set up. It'd be better to set them up like this, like Mary Jones did, or crossways. It will be easier to enter into Excel. So you open up your Excel and have it set up like this is the way I recommend, with the variables going across the top and then student names here. And I would type in the student names so you can keep track and add other students on later. And you can see the students you already have entered. So Mary Jones, Amanda Johnson, here are her numbers. And Mary Jones is, I already have her numbers entered. And then Jim Smith. So when we're looking at this, it'll first look like this. You won't be able to see much, but you can click more in case they enter it like that. But as I mentioned, it's going to show up. You don't have to do this clicking here if the student enters it crossways. So I'll finish entering Jim Smith's data. So left click and we can move that over. So variable 1 is 201. And 202 and 203. And then we can sort these alphabetically. So highlight everything, left click, highlight, except the label row, and go up to data here. And then sort here. And we want to sort column B. And we've got everything else highlighted, so that should ride right along with it when we're actually we want column, yeah, we want column B, smallest to largest, and it looks like everything's fine now. You can see it change there. And when you have all your data, it'll be ready for future assignments. Like if we want to calculate averages, we'll go up to FX, average. If that's what a future assignment calls for, we can left click, highlight just those numbers. And we can see the average here, 341. And then we'll click OK. We don't need that many decimal places, do we? Or do we need 5 more decimal places? We'll right click, format cells, go to number, and 2 is OK. And then we can get a skinny plus sign like that on the corner and drag it over, and it'll calculate those averages. And that concludes this presentation. And thank you for